In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invite link for a Discord server. Start by opening Discord, launch it on your computer or your phone, and wait for the main screen to load. You should see your list of servers on the left and your direct messages and channels on the right. If Discord asks you to log in, do that first so you can access your servers. Once that is open, select your server, look at the left sidebar, and click the server icon where you want to invite people. When you have the right one selected, the server name appears at the top left and the channel list for that server fills the side panel. A common beginner mistake is clicking the wrong server, so glance at the server name to confirm it is the one you want to grow. From there, find the channel where you want people to enter. This is usually a welcome or general chat channel. In the left panel, scroll if needed until you see that channel in the list. When you click it, the main area shows that channel's messages. Remember, new people who join with this invite will first land in this exact channel, so pick a friendly or clear starting place. Now hover over the channel and click Create Invite. Move your mouse over the channel name in the list. You will see a small person icon with a plus sign appear or a similar invite symbol. Click that and a small window opens showing an invite panel. This window usually shows a temporary invite link that Discord created for you, along with some settings below it. Next up, click Edit Invite Link if you want to change the expiration time or maximum number of uses. In that same invite window, look for the option labeled Edit Invite Link. Clicking it opens more detailed choices. Here you can choose how long the link works, like half an hour, a few hours, or up to several days, and how many times it can be used before it stops accepting new people. These controls are helpful when you only want a limited number of people or a short-term invite. After that, click Generate a New Link if necessary. Once you adjust the settings, use Generate a New Link so Discord creates a fresh invite that matches those options. The window will update and show you the new link at the top. If you change something and forget this step, you can end up sharing an older link, so it is worth that one extra click. With that ready, click Copy. You will see the button right next to the invite link. Clicking Copy puts the invite into your clipboard with no extra message boxes. You will not see a huge pop-up, so just know the link is now ready to paste. Finally, share the link with others. Paste it into a message, an email, a group chat, or wherever your audience is. Anyone who clicks it can join your server, up to the limits you set a moment ago. To make the invite link permanent, if your server is eligible, you can adjust the invite settings and choose Never Expire and No Limit for uses. Discord notes that permanent invite availability depends on the server type and settings, so if you do not see those options, your server may not support them yet. You have now created and customized a Discord server invite link that you can share as often as you like. So if that helped, please tap thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Discord guides.